Most people aren't actually poor, they are just professional actors, playing the role of a rich person with someone else's money. Have you ever wondered why you work 40 hours a week, yet your bank account looks like a desert? While your boss just showed up in a brand new Mercedes? Well, stay until the end of this video, because I'm going to show you the invisible strings that keep you broke and how you are literally paying for your boss's next vacation. Let's talk about the status tax. Society has sold us a lie that says you are what you carry. You think that $90 Stanley Cup or those $300 sneakers are making you look successful? No, honey. They are just glowing red flags that say, I don't understand interest rates. You are trading the most valuable thing you own, your time, for plastic objects that lose half their value before you even get them home. It's like that time I tried to start a business selling umbrellas for fish. It sounded like a great investment until I realized fish are already underwater, and I was just a broke idiot standing in the rain. The system wants you in debt. They love it when you say, it's only $50 a month. That is the most expensive sentence in the English language. Listen to me. If you can't buy it twice in cash, you can't afford it. Period. Every time you swipe that credit card for a night out you can't afford, you are signing away a piece of your future freedom. You are choosing a 3-second dopamine hit over a lifetime of peace. Your future self, in the year 2040, is currently looking at you through a time portal. And they want to punch you in the face for financing a 70-inch TV instead of buying an index fund. Wealthy people understand something that the middle class ignores. Real wealth is silent. It's the power of saying no to the world so you can say yes to your freedom. Stop trying to impress people you don't even like with money you don't even have. It's time to grow up, cut the cards, and stop being a slave to a lifestyle that is killing your soul. So, what is the most useless thing you've ever bought just to look cool? Tell me your financial sins in the comments. I promise I'll only judge you a little bit. And if you're tired of being the bank's favorite ATM, hit that like button and subscribe. Or don't, and keep making your boss rich. I'm just a cartoon, but at least my house is paid for. See you in the next one.